Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Ma'am, you have said that we have to collect the news.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we will do. We will continue with it.
Ma'am, I want to say.
Okay, okay. अभी नहीं. पहले हम लोग एक 2 पेज पहले कंप्लीट करेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you will get the chance. सबको chance मिलेगा.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. All of you mute your mic. Those whose mic is making some sound. अगर sound आ रहा है तो बंद करिए. We will come to page number 35. 35 हम लोग को complete करना है. तो पहले इसको complete कर लेते हैं. Today, section GH is also joining this class now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you just continue with page number 35 because I was there only in this class. Dates and events. This world around. In the history of the world, the occurrence of different events have their own importance. They happen and people remember them forever. Read some such event given and write the year in which they occurred. इस ईयर में वो हुआ वो भी आप देखिएगा और चेक द हेल्प बॉक्स यूज करना है आपको. Constitution of India means India adopted the constitution in which year? That was
26 January 1949.
26 January 1949.
26 January 1949.
26 November 1949.
26 November
26 November 1949.
26 November 1949.
Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. What do you mean by
30
assassinated?
January 1948. 30 January 1948.
Okay, first 1948 assassinated. Assassinated का मतलब समझते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या? Shot to death. Shot to death. Then it was 30th January 1948. Then next question, USA dropped atom bomb at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It is
6 and 9 August
6 and 9 August 1945.
Yeah, August 1945. USA dropped atom bomb at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It is 6th and 9th August 1945. Next, India spacecraft the Mars orbit.
24 September 2014.
Okay, 24th September 2014. 2014. Collapse of the World Trade Center. 11th September
2001.
1. Correct. Collapse of the World Trade Center, 11th September 2001. World War I began 28 July
1914.
Okay. Bangladesh got independence on
26 March 1971.
26 March 1971.
26 March 1971. Kalpana Chawla died in the Columbia Space Shuttle disaster.
1 January 2003. 1 January 2003.
Ma'am, 1 January 2003.
Yes. Now come to the next page, that is page number 36. Island 2. Quiz. Do you understand what is an island? Island किसको कहते हैं, समझते हैं आपको?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
किसको कहते हैं? Island किसको कहा जाता है?
Ma'am, Tapu.
Ma'am, Tambu.
Land surrounded by water on all sides is known as island. Canary, Bahamas, and Feroe. These are the name of the island. You have to name where it is located. कहाँ पर ये situated है? It is in the
Atlantic Ocean.
Fine, Fiji, Mariana.
Hawaiian, Fiji, and Mariana.
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
Ellen, Mala, Adriatic. It is in the Mediterranean Sea. ये कहाँ है?
मुझे नहीं आ रहा मैम का।
Ma'am,
मैम आपको आवाज
Ma'am, Samiksha.
If you all will shout, then the voice will not come. आप लोग अपना आवाज म्यूट रखिए, कहीं से कोई साउंड आ रहा है। यशस्वी,
Yes, ma'am.
दीक्षा, अंकित, यशस्वी, अगर साउंड आ रहा है बैकग्राउंड से तो उसको बंद कर दो। Ellen, Mala, and Balearic, it is in the Mediterranean Sea. Then Weimar, या Weimar भी बोल सकते हो, Weimar बोलो, Dymac and Rudolph, it is in the Arctic Ocean. It is situated in the Arctic Ocean.
Ma'am, which page number?
What are you telling?
Ma'am, he is asking that to which page number?
Page number 36. We are doing page number 36. Then last one, Cyclades, Ionian, and Dodecanans. They all are in Aegean Sea. Aegean Sea.
Ma'am, which page number?
You all, why are you all joining so late? Page number 36. Canary, Bahamas, and Feroe is in Atlantic Ocean. Then Hawaiian, Fiji, and Mariana is in Pacific Ocean. Maldives, Mascarenes, and Sri Lanka is in Indian Ocean. Ellen, Mala, and Balearic is in Mediterranean Sea. Weimar, Nymark, and Rudolph. It is in the Arctic Ocean. Cyclades, Ionian, and Dodecanese are in Aegean Sea. Now, children, those who have these 2 pages only will do. Slowly we will complete it. Only third lesson only we have to do in the first term. तो हम लोग धीरे धीरे इसको complete करेंगे. Those who have prepared for the news, one by one, please open your.
Can I give a Prakash?
Ma'am,
Can I assist me?
Ma'am,
Can I give a Prakash?
all of you will get सबको मिलेगा. बैंक राज आइए, स्क्रीन पे आइए, come on the screen.
Ma'am, can I say Mayank Raj?
हाँ बोलिए.
MI India released an underwater unboxing film of Mi-11 Ultra. Taliban asked of lost of girls above 15 and waited to be married to fighter. All 18 on board plane missing of Russia and Siberia found alive. COVID-19 becoming a pandemic of the unvaccinated. US CDS director, I have lost 10 family member to COVID-19. Indian, American, US Surgeon General. Hold on culprits in attack on boss accountable Chinese primer to Pakistan. USA reports its first case of monkeypox in 18 years. Death toll from foods in Germany, Belgium exits in 125. No application received for SL for the COVID shield and authorization of EU medical body. Ma'am, can I Divya Prakash?
Okay, next.
Ma'am, Divya Prakash.
Ma'am, can I Shashvi?
Ma'am, can I Divya Prakash?
Can I Shashvi?
Yes, Shashvi.
Ma'am, Anushkand.
Ma'am, is Shashvi.
सबको मिलेगा chance. Yes, Shashvi, you first you tell.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you will get the chance.
Vaccine supply is increasing every month. In May, close to 8 crore vaccine doses were given by the center to the states. In June, this number increased to 11.46 crore. India's tour of Sri Lanka will begin with the first ODI on 18 July. This match will be played in Colombo from 3 o'clock p.m. According to IST, banks get rupees 792 crore after sale of Kingfisher shares. UP government provided 2.64 crore jobs, says Minister. Delta variant shown to be dominated strain of COVID-19 worldwide, warns WHO. Kangana Ranaut to host Indian adaptation popular American reality show Temptation Island. India administered more than 35.15 lakh COVID-19 vaccine doses on 15th July, taking total vaccine coverage to 39.49 crores. Puducherry government extends COVID restrictions till July 31. China must cooperate with COVID origin probe, says WHO. Center extends cut-off date for enrollment of farmers under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Prime Minister Narendra Modi called on President Ram Nath Kovind at Rashtrapati Bhavan and bribed him on important issues. Pakistan said on 15th July, traces of explosives had been detected during an initial investigation into a bus blast that killed 13 people, including 9 Chinese workers, and said a terrorist attack could not be ruled out as the cause of the incident. The bodies of 2 youth who drowned while bathing in Ganga River in Rishikesh were recovered on 15th July. 5 dead missing in floods, landslides in northeast Turkey. 19 dead, dozens missing in Germany floods. Partial lockdown to continue in 10 districts of Odisha till August 1. Google Cloud adds second cloud region in India. In Delhi.
You wait.
Yes,
Wait
ma'am.
करो अब next को और chance दे
Ma'am,
देती
can
हूँ,
I Divya Prakash?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I
Anushka
Divya Prakash चलिए.
Yes, ma'am. Sheikh Bahadur Dewba became new Prime Minister of Nepal. President Ram Nath Kovind appoints new governor in Jharkhand as Ramesh Bais. Italy won the IFA Euro Cup 2021. PM Narendra Modi 5-star hotel gift to Gujarat and inaugurates Science City. North Bihar is suffering from high floods. Delta COVID-19 variant now dominant strain worldwide. US deaths surge officials. India reports 38,079 new COVID-19 cases and 560 new fatalities in India. First case of COVID-19 in Tokyo Olympic Village. Organizers confirm. Rajasthan government bans religious gatherings. Navratna meet India's 9 boxing stars for Tokyo 2021.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Divya Prakash.
Ma'am, can I read
Okay,
Anushka?
ma'am,
Can I Mannat?
Ma'am, can I
Anushka Anand.
Yes, ma'am. Inmates left with less than 1 year of jail term to get amnesty. Preparations on to tackle any third wave of COVID. Car carrying liquid crushes home guard to death. 6 arrested in Bihar. Darbhanga railway station parcel blast. NIA get permission to interrogate Iling let Gujarat Bihar man held for forcing conversation. All Bihar hospital to have sufficient oxygen by August end. 8 power substations in rural Gujarat, Gaya Sun. Bihar man arrested for dumping people by posting as CBI officer. Not only CMIE, even government data also indicates unemployment is at its peak in Haryana. Satyadev Narayan Arya takes oath as 19th Tripura government RJD to protect against price rise on July 18 to 19. 113 more test COVID positive, 2 die in Bihar. Bihar on alert after Intel input warms of plot to set off blast on train. Industries moving out, jobless rising in Haryana, says CM Bhupendra Singh Hoda. Procure online answers from Department's Assembly Speaker. Population control police would not help. See what happened in China. Nitish Kumar. Bihar issues alert after UP ATS snaps 2 territories from Lucknow. COVID-19 vaccine in both flood hit.
Okay, ठीक है. Next one.
Mannat?
Angel.
Ma'am, Mannat.
Angel.
Yes, ma'am. Second wave
You
has
speak.
not. Second wave has not succeeded yet. Government causes over COVID surge in Britain, Russia and Bangladesh. Punjab unlock. Weekend lockdown. Night curfew to end. Restaurants. Controversial. Bihar SHO suspended for nexus with liquor mafia. Auditorium assembly hall in educational institutes allowed it to open in Delhi. Yogi Adityanath credits BJP victory in Panchayat polls to people's faith. England attempts thrash Pakistan and clinch ODP series. BCCI joined PM Modi in supporting India athletes for Tokyo Olympics.
Okay, very good. Manat?
Can I say Diksha?
Manat?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Tokyo Olympic, I am mentally stronger now, says Vinesh Phogat. India versus Sri Lanka. Shikhar Dhawan needs to be a little patient, say Raman. Navratan meet India's 9 boxing star for Tokyo 2021. Chanyu ready to bury Rio host with perfect lift in Tokyo. Navratan meet India 9 boxing star for Tokyo 2021. ICC T20 World Cup 2021. India to be face Pakistan in group stage. Slipper Sable eyes excellent at Tokyo Olympic. Short submit Sumit Nagar very happy to get ticket to Tokyo Olympic. West India beat Australia in final T21 for 4-1 series win. First Tokyo Babar Azli's Pakistan to win over England. India resident got rich with these tricks in stepping to host 2021 Champion League final. Ex-world number 9 Timia retired from tennis. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar to hold Janta Darbar from 12th July.
Okay, thank you, Manat.
Can I say Diksha?
Ma'am.
Yes, Diksha.
Can I?
Railways allot banks of online fraud targeting pensioners. Ministry of Railways has alerted all public sector banks about
Voice
the
is
model.
not clear. Speak properly.
Minister of Railways, मैम अब अच्छे से आ रही है?
Yes,
Ma'am, my
yes.
voice is Ministry of Railways alerted all public sector banks about the modus operandi of the fraudsters who manage the pension service recorders. In a new online fraud, cyber criminals have been targeting censored citizens by possessing pensions distribution authorized calling to up-to-date digital life certificate Jeevan Praman Patter online. The Ministry of Railways alerted all public sector banks about the modus operandi of the fraudsters
You should
who
read
manage.
properly also. जब आप लोग प्रिपेयर करते हो न्यूज तो 2 बार पढ़ के आया करो क्लास में. The reading should also be proper. Next one.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, Ani Kumari.
Ma'am,
Ani Kumari, okay. Ani, हाँ बोलिए.
Yes, ma'am. Delhi records 66 new coronavirus cases. Positive rate dips after 7-day Irritic Tejas Express services to resume next month. Check train timing route. IIT Delhi elements scale Mount Everest within the week of recovering from COVID. India test squad in England to get second vaccine jab in coming days. Report. For passengers in the good condition on after surgery to stay in hospital for 7 days. 13-year-old vaccinated on Madhya Pradesh day of record jabs. First case of COVID-19 in Tokyo Olympic Village. Surat vaccination suspended for 4th time in the last.
Okay, after her you will speak. हाँ बोलो, हनी बोलो.
Ma'am, completed.
Have you completed, honey?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Samiksha, you start.
Okay, ma'am. India's daily caseload down to 38,079 and 560 deaths reported. Flood in Western Europe. Death toll nears 130, hundreds missing still. Kerala observes 2 days complete lockdown before restrictions are eased for Bakrid. Experts stumped as record-setting thunderstorm hits Mumbai. Mumbai gets July's second heaviest rain in a decade. National award-winning actress Surekha Shitri dies due to cardiac arrest. Sher Bahadur Deuba sworn in as the new PM of Nepal. Tokyo Olympic organizers confirmed first case of COVID-19 in Olympic Village.
Okay, thank you.
Can I ask Kumar?
Yes, who is there? Tell your name. Naam bolo.
Our page number.
What page number? We are reading the news. You have joined just now.
मैम कनेक्ट हो गया था तो मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले ही ज्वाइन किया था. मैम मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले
ज्वाइन किए हैं. तो आप जान लीजिए कि हम लोग न्यूज रीडिंग भी करते हैं जीके क्लास में. तो जिसको भी न्यूज कलेक्ट करना होता है वो कलेक्ट कर लेता है. सबको ये होमवर्क दिया रहता है. हम लोग पेज नंबर 35 and 36 कंप्लीट किए हैं अभी. Anybody who wants to speak more? कोई और कलेक्ट करके आया है?
मैम कैन आई अर्पित कुमार?
Who?
मैम कैन अर्पित कुमार?
अर्पित, yes.
Harry Kane's team England lose the final and Italy win the cup. Today total cases of coronavirus in India is 38,079. India tour of Sri Lanka is starting from 18/7/21. Shikhar Dhawan is the captain. 2 shots helped cut deaths by 95% in second wave ICMR. Punjab CM Amrinder Singh writes to Sonia Gandhi on Navjot Singh Sidhu. Heavy rain in parts of Mumbai. Local trains, aeroplanes flooded roads, big jams. Maharashtra result SSC declared in website. Done completed.
Okay. और कोई है जिसको चाहिए चांस? Anybody else? Rupali, do you want to speak? Okay. If all of you have completed, then we'll come to the revision portion of chapter 1. 1 दिए थे या 2 दिए थे? कौन सा चैप्टर दिए थे लर्न करने के लिए?
Chapter 2.
बताओ.
Ma'am, chapter 2.
Ma'am, chapter 2.
Okay, then let us start the revision. Chapter 2 का revision start करते हैं. Given below are abbreviations related to environment. Write their full form using the help box. IRAP. What is the full form?
Immediate response action plan.
जिसका हम बोलेंगे नाम वही बोलेगा, क्योंकि सब लोग बोलते हो तो आवाज सुनाई नहीं देता है। दिव्य प्रकाश, यू टेल। IRAP.
Ma'am, immediate response action plan.
Okay, correct. Then CFC, Ankit. 7G, Ankit.
Yes, ma'am. CFC, chlorofluorocarbon.
Chlorofluorocarbon. It is chlorofluorocarbon. Next, Abhinav Sinha. HAP. Abhinav Sinha, 7C. Abhinav, you are there. Please speak. Arpit.
Yes, ma'am.
Follow. HAP.
हजार दो सैर pollutant.
Hazardous air pollutant. It is hazardous air pollutant. Then it is, yes. Next, Aditya Shankar Singh. Are you there? Okay, Divya Prakash, you tell. ACF.
क्या मैम?
ACF का full form बोलो.
Activated carbon filter.
Okay, all of you should participate. सब लोग अपना माइक ऑन रखिए अभी. किसी का भी नाम हम बोल सकते हैं. Step 2, train. Given below are the brief descriptions taken from great works of some famous scientists. So you have to name that scientist who has said this or who has done that work. He made the discovery after learning about night writing, which proved a boon to the blind.
Ma'am, Louis Braille.
Yes, it is Louis Braille. जिसका नाम बोलेंगे वही बोलो, because sometimes it all comes mingled up. Then okay, next is Honey will say. Okay, Honey Kumari. He accidentally spilled some rubber, sulfur and lead into a stove, resulting in rubber resistant to heat and cold.
Ma'am, Constantine Fellberg.
No, it is Charles Goodyear.
Okay,
it is Charles Goodyear. Then he made a famous discovery while being in his bathtub and gave the famous principle.
Ma'am, sir.
Samiksha?
Yes, ma'am.
He made a famous discovery while being in his bathtub and gave the famous principle.
Ma'am, can I say
Archimedes.
Archimedes. It is Archimedes.
Ma'am, okay? Archimedes.
Then gadgets glowed. Come to page 19. Gadgets glowed.
Okay.
It is used for measuring atmospheric pressure.
Ma'am, barometer.
Ma'am, barometer.
Yes. It is used for measuring small amount of electric current. Honey?
Yes, ma'am.
It is used for measuring small amount of electric current.
Ma'am, galvanometer.
Yes. It is used to detect the presence of impurities in milk.
Ma'am, can I say it?
Aditya Singh.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, lactometer.
Lactometer, correct. It is used to measure the wind speed.
Ma'am, can I say Ankit?
Ankit, okay, say.
Yes. Anemometer.
Anemometer.
Yes, ma'am. Any meter.
It is an instrument used for measuring very small distance or dimension.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Can I say?
Ma'am, can I answer? Ma'am, is Shashvi.
Ma'am, mic.
Reksha was also putting her hands up. Reksha,
Micrometer. Ma'am,
micrometer. Okay.
Micrometer.
Then next, an atmosphere of spheres. The waters of Earth's surface is known as.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yashasvi.
Hydrosphere. Ma'am,
hydrosphere. Ma'am, can I answer? Ma'am, hydrosphere.
Ma'am, hydrosphere. Ma'am, hydrosphere. Ma'am, hydrosphere.
The upper layer of Earth's mantle, whose capacity for gradual flow is thought to give rise to continental drift.
Ma'am, astronosphere. Ma'am, astronosphere. Astronosphere.
The regions of Earth crust and atmosphere occupied by living organisms.
Biosphere.
Ma'am, biosphere. Ma'am, biosphere.
Yes, correct. The crust of the Earth is known as
lithosphere.
Ma'am, lithosphere. Ma'am, lithosphere.
Page number 21. We have done the revision for next class. Homework will be to correct the news and to learn the rest of the part of chapter 2. जो rest part है chapter 2 का वो आप लोग learn करिएगा and seriously go through the lessons. Chapter के लिए seriously आप इसको learn करोगे. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am. Sorry.
चली गई हैं.
Yes, चली गई, ma'am. Yes. Yes.